Hi NCLEX aspirants. Do you want to master pediatric immunization schedule in just one sentence? Here's the easiest way to by heart this. All you have to remember is a simple mnemonic, which is: Hi Dr. Hip, I got flu. Hi A, meet men, but first protect HPV, then meet men. Now focus on everything which is written in black and ignore everything in red, as this is just to maintain the flow of sentence. Now look at this table carefully and let's break down what each word stands for and what age it's given. At birth, remember HI. HI stands for hepatitis. So at birth, we'll be giving hepatitis B's first shot. In second month, remember HI Dr. Hip. We'll be giving dose 2 of hepatitis B, DTaP, rotavirus, Hip, IPV and PCV. At 4 months, remember Dr. Hip. We'll be giving DTaP, rotavirus, Hip, IPV and PCV. At 6 months, we have to give as same as 2 months, that is Hi Dr. Hip. Additional to this, we'll be giving flu shot, and from now on we'll be giving flu shots every year to child. Now 12 to 23 months, remember Hi A. Hi stands for hepatitis, A stands for A. We'll be giving hepatitis A first dose between this time period, and second shot of hepatitis A should be given after 6 months of first shot. Now 11 to 12 years, remember meet men, which stands for meningococcal vaccine, dose 1. At the age of 11 to 15 years, remember protect with HPV. Now we have to give HPV shot 1. Second dose needs to be given before 16 years of age. At 16 years, we'll be remembering meet men and we'll be giving meningococcal booster, which is dose 2. This was all about the vaccines. Take a screenshot, practice this mnemonic and practice it in front of mirror, and I assure you that you will never forget this immunization schedule. And take a screenshot and review these full forms of every injection. Thank you so much and follow for more.